Yes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, so the next group is from group 5. Yes, they are talking about the utilization of waterfalls as a power plant in Indonesia. So I give to the member of group 5 to introduce themselves and present their method.
My name is Mahatma Wisesa, and my number is 45857.
Okay, my name is Persada Rimba Kumbara. My number is 46008.
Yeah, my name is Remasita. My number is 46010.
Okay. Infrastructure development in Indonesia is still not evenly distributed. For example, the use of electricity. In this modern era, electricity has become a major human need. The use of electricity in Indonesia is increasing continuously. Unfortunately, only people in big cities that can easily enjoy the electricity. There are still many people in the isolated area that have not been able to enjoy the electricity. Therefore, we should multiply the power source so that the electricity will spread evenly. One of the ways to increase the source of electricity is building a power plant. This power plant utilizes the existing natural resource. By developing this renewable energy, we produce electricity that is more efficient and environmentally friendly compared with combustion engine. One of the renewable energy used is the waterfall. There are many waterfalls in Indonesia only for tourist attraction. Most of them are used only for tourist attraction and there are even as well. Whereas the flow of the waterfall can utilize to generate electricity by utilizing the potential energy of water. So the next will be presented by Mahatma.
And the method is for generating electricity from hydropower or hydroelectric power plant, we need two things: elevation to drop the water and supply of the water. The hydroelectric power uses a generator because it converts from mechanics energy to electrical energy. And when the water enters the generating system to the big funnels, it flows into the pipes and creating amount of force to the turbine. And the turbine powers by the water. The giant blades rotate which connect with the giant generator and converts from mechanics energy into electrical energy. The electricity travels to transformers, then into the transmission towers, where it connects with the provincial grid. Then the waters that flows into the generating system, it comes back to the river.
That is the strength or the advantage if we use this power plant. The first one is not using fossil fuels. Why? Because this power plant is used the water flow from the waterfall to rotate the turbine. So it doesn't need fossil fuel, and by using this power plant, we can also reduce the use of fossil fuels that maybe can be extinct someday. The next is environmentally friendly. Why? Because this power plant is free from greenhouse gas emission that maybe can harmful for the environment. Next is the weaknesses of this power plant is expensive building cost. well, in the process of building this power plant, we need a lot of material. For example, for building the turbine, for building the generator, or for building the tower, or maybe for the transportation to go to the location. It will need a lot of money. So when we build this power plant, we will spend a lot of money. The next is can be used if the waterfall is dry. As we know, when we need the water flow to rotate the turbine. So if the waterfall is dry, there are no waterfall that can rotate the turbine, and consequently it will not, it cannot generate the electricity. Yeah, that's all from us. We hope with this innovation we can help to provide electricity, especially for the people in the isolated area. Next, I will give it to the moderator.
Thank you very much. That's the presentation from Group 5. Okay, any question from another group, please? If there's a question from another group, I give chance to reviewer from Group 11. Please give a question to Group 5. From reviewer, Group 11. Who's Group 11? Please raise your hand. Okay. Any comment?
Okay, my name is Christian Paswema and I'm from Group 11. So you want to make a power plant that using the waterfall. Is there any is there any requires for the velocity that from the waterfalls when it falls to produce energy from the turbine? Yeah, maybe just that my question. Thank you.
From Group 5, it's clear. Rema, it's clear. Okay. From Group 11, please wait for a moment. Group 5 have a discussion first. If there is any group, another group want to add a question, please? And what group? But later after that, I just ask you. Sorry, be patient. From the group.
I will answer the question from Pastor. And our turbine is depends on the velocity of the flows. It depends on potential energy. So it depends on height. Thank you.
For Group 11, is that clear? Yes. Okay, another question from Group. Yes, please stand up and give your question. Your group and your name.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. everybody. My name is Andika Kusuma. Can you show the last slide? What is your mission about that witness? That's the question. Okay, thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, that's the question from Andika. Another question maybe. So until wait. Oh yeah. From Kifar. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Actually, I want to give the question, but comment from the answer of the group 5. Actually, the velocity is depend on the how the electricity produced, because the potential can convert to the velocity. It is the law of the mechanical energy. So it's from the Pasca, from the group that give the question. I use the the better statement from the for the answer. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
From Gibari group 2. Thank you so much for your comment.
Group A.
I'm sorry, sir, but there's a question that let's discuss.
No more question.
No question.
Answer it first.
From Andika, wait for a minute. So they are discuss first. So your question is about what is there's two weakness and what the solution for that issue. For Andika, this is the answer for your question before.
Solution for rise of the waterfall is with batteries. So the energy can be stored to the batteries. And second solution is we supply the water, so it's like a dam. So storage. Then when it's not yet dry, you can flow it here.
Andika is that from Okay, so I said before I close this moment, this session, I said thank you so much for all the questions. Thank you so much for group 5. And I close. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.